Hi traders, I just made over $3,000 day trading stocks in less than 1 hour. Let me show you how.
Looking at the market, as you can see, Nasdaq is down 1.2%, S&P is down 0.7%. Market starts with a big gap down. Now yesterday, as you can see, the market started with a huge gap down, but covered all the gap and even continued somewhat higher. However, today it does not look like it's going to happen. Apple is down dramatically, as you can see here, 8.8%, and it's taking down all of the markets. So my main candidates should be stocks that are down, looking for shorts, and specifically stocks that are outperforming the market, meaning much lower than 1.2%, like Apple, for example, 9% right now. So here's my two candidates, Apple on the left, BMY on the right. BMY is down 9.6%. I'm looking for a short under the lows, 46.75. And as you can see, try to move higher. You can see these two topping tails here. Tried twice to move higher and failed. Now it's getting close to the point where it's going to break 47. And once it does that, that's the whole number now. It's probably going to get to my target. Watch the buyers now. Just moved under 75. I click that button and I'm short 4,000 shares of BMY. I'm risking approximately 40 to 50 cents. Stop should be somewhere around here. I shorted at 46.68, so my target should be around 46.20, maybe 46.10. Here we go, 46.50, and we just moved under. Watch the buyers, watch the sellers at all time. Good, look at this breakdown. This is lovely. At my target right now, at my target, any pullback at 46. Look at that goes. Look at that goes. Any pullback now, now. First sign of a pullback, and I was wrong. It actually continued lower. Well, I clicked that button. I did get my partial great trade in BMY. Apple's failing to move higher. It's down 9% now and it's reaching the lows. It looks like it may be reaching the lows now. I would like to short it under the lows. It's 143.45 and it's getting close. Watch the buyers now. Just move the cent under the lows. I'm short Apple. Hope for some continuation, but very small size because I'm very, very worried about Apple. Light looks interesting. It's down 7%. A bit worried about the spreads and the volume, but I do like this formation, so I'm about to short, but again it's going to be small size, just 1,000 shares. Stop is going to be over 40. Shorting now 1,000 shares in light. Apple came down and I'm not willing to lose anything. It looks like it found some support here. It's moving up over 50. I'll close it now. I'm out of Apple. I had 400 shares. I didn't really trust Apple to continue lower. The problem with Apple is that a lot of people are buying it when it's down. So how to trust it? If it would have crashed down earlier, I would have taken my partial gladly, but any sign of a pullback, I'm out. Very, very small loss in Apple now. BMY looks like it's trying to make another leg down. I'm about to short another 400 shares as it moves down under this consolidation. So BMY looks good for adding now 400 shares. When I add to a winning trade, I always add very small size. I don't want to have a bad trade after a good trade and go back to red. GLD is up 4%. Once it moves over 66, it looks great, but I'll be waiting for 66.10 because earlier it touched the 66, as you can see here now. It's getting close to 66.10, and then I'm going to click the button. So you see it tried to move higher earlier, failed a bit. Now it's getting back up, and I'm clicking the button right now. I'm long 600 shares in GILD. The market is moving down, but it's pulling back a little bit now, and GLD is very, very strong. It looks like it may be challenging the highs. BMY did great. I'm getting ready to take a partial of 500 shares of my 600 that I added earlier. Now, approximately 60 cents on that recent move in BMY. My second good trade in BMY just moved under the lows and looks like it may continue. GLD did great. Look at this 66 break over here. We have approximately 40 cents right now. Any sign of a pullback? I'm going to take my partial. I have 600 shares, about to sell 500 now. Okay, that was a nice 40-cent trade, a little bit more than 40 cents. That was approximately what I was risking in GILD. I always take my targets at 1-to-1 risk reward, and GILD did very, very nicely, and probably should continue, so I'm holding just 100 shares now. I'm doing great for the day, but the most important thing is really what my trading room members are doing, and you can see it right here because I just asked them to mention if they're up or if they're down or how much they're making or how much they're losing. So take a look at the numbers here. This is all done in 1 hour, and you can join us too. Just click right here on the top right hand corner and join us for a free 14-day trial. All my picks are posted right here, as you can see on the right. I'm not the only analyst. You have Scott and you have other analysts as well, and we all share our picks. I trade some of my trading room members' picks every day. They trade mine, and that's how we make money in the markets. That's our advantage. Everything is very, very transparent here. We all trade together. We all share our results. And that's how I'm doing today. I had one loser in Apple, actually took 2 trades in Apple and lost, and BMY, GILD, and Light. And I am up over 3 grand today, just 1 hour of trading.
Thank you for watching our video. The material was taken from The Market Whisperer, my Amazon best-selling book. This essential guide to stock trading is ideal for those with no background or experience in stock trading. Click here to read the 200-page part 1 of this book absolutely free. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can view many more stock trading videos. Questions or comments, please submit them below.